What's the meaning of battle fatigue? Battle fatigue. Battle fatigue.
Battle fatigue. Battle fatigue. Battle fatigue refers to the emotional and physical exhaustion experienced by soldiers as a result of prolonged periods of combat. It is also known as combat stress or shell shock, and can manifest itself in a variety of ways, including anxiety, depression, irritability, and sleep disorders. The condition can be caused by a range of factors, including exposure to trauma, loss of comrades, and the expectation of further combat. Left untreated, battle fatigue can lead to more severe mental health conditions, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Combat veterans should seek professional help if they are experiencing symptoms of battle fatigue to ensure proper treatment and care.